that is processed through that little cone-shaped piece, because it doesn't really recognize the difference all the time between imaginary and real. It responds the same way if your imagination is good. Okay? So, Martin asked me to speak to you about getting, into the employment, getting a job, making it in society, doing these kind of things. Well, the reason why I'm bringing this up is because everything that is processed through that little cone-shaped medulla oblongata is either hindering you or propelling you. And we need to learn how to adjust it mentally, emotionally, through emotional intelligence, and say, fear is not my enemy. Fear is my friend. Okay? Fear is not my enemy. Fear is my friend.